everyone, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. We have a couple of mini fashion balls and we're going to be opening up today. I'm here with my sister Tapping Flamingo. So we have two of these. We're going to open one on my channel, one on her channel. So look at the link down below. After you watch us open one of them on my channel, go head over to her channel and see what we got in the second mini fashion ball. Alright, we're back inside the Airbnb, and like I said, we got two of these to open. We're going to open this one on my channel, and this one you're going to watch. Go over to Tapping Flamingo and check out this one. We got Summer and Malibu. They came with us. Alright, you girls ready? I already took all the plastic off. Now, this is the third, is this the third, two, four? No, this is like the fifth one of these I've opened.
Oh, wow.
So, fingers crossed I don't get any duplicates. Oh, obviously this is the purse. This is the little thing that tells you all the stuff that's on it. And then these are the little accessories. I like the accessories because they're fun to film with. Alright. There's that sticker. I already have this purse. Hopefully that's not what's in there, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll be very surprised if I don't get a duplicate. Alright, that's everything. 1, 2, 3. Huh. Oh, did they count this as one of the things? I thought you got more than one.
I don't know. It says 5 surprises.
All right. Well,
We'll count them. And see.
Okay. All right. So we got the little purse. This is like a little wallet.
I have one of those.
Yes, I have one of these already. In fact, I have all of these. This is a little perfume bottle, which is super cute. Though I will say, I think my perfume bottle is purple or pink or something. See that? Okay. There we go. And then the little makeup brush. Okie dokies.
How fun.
All right, so those are the accessories. There you go. And moment of truth, I think I know what this is from feeling it, and I think
really?
it's a duplicate.
Uh-oh.
We will see. Yep, it's a green purse. I have one of these already. I do like this purse, though, but I have one of these. Did you get this green one yet, Terry?
I've only gotten one, and it's a pink one, so we shall see what I get.
Okay, we'll see. But this is a nice purse. Actually, I've used it for my Ella Wild dolls, but you see it looks really cute with the Blythe dolls. I think it's a good, scale for them. Don't you, Terry?
I do.
Yeah. So, as are these other accessories. These are good scale for little dolls. All right, so that's what I got. I got a green bag. I got a little wallet, makeup brush, and the perfume bottle, and then
sticker.
And my sticker,
So that's 5 things.
Yes, that's 5 things. All right, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Let me know in the comments below if you've gotten any of these mini fashion packs, these little mini fashion balls. If you're thinking about getting them, and which of the purses is your favorite. All right, and Summer and Malibu say bye bye. You guys have a wonderful Dolly day. Bye.